Mom! Oh no, stop, 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 stop!
Just your morning drive to school.
Oh, Mom, go forward.
Dude, it's like whoop-de-doos.
I know. Oh, our car.
Oh my gosh.
God. Yeah, this is just a normal day going to school. Mom, go forward.
There's like no road.
What the heck?
Look at that.
This is craziness.
Mom!
Shit.
I'm literally driving in a river.
Mom, no, I don't want to go to school. I don't want to go to school. Mom, turn around.
Look at this. This guy's gonna spray me. Seriously, what an asshole.
My mom just got this.
Watch this. I'm gonna do it to this guy. Let's just. Oh.
You too.
My mom just got sprayed
This
by
is
a guy.
crazy.
The road is a river, like you're like.
Are
the
you
car's
a four-wheel driver?
Okay, enough, you stupid deer.
This is manual, you're allowed to say. Flash flood.
Yeah, that's why my Alexa's probably going off right now because every time I get a flash flood warning, my phone she goes off with it. Oh jeez. Oh, I found our road. Our road is back. A little bit.
This is crazy.
Mom, our gates are about to open.
Don't worry.
Mom, we're in a river.